Lenny was at the station. Hello, Bowler. But Bowler didn't say anything. Bowler. Oh, sorry, Lenny. What's wrong? It's... Just look. Pip and Emma just doing their jobs. But what are Pip and Emma? Engines? What kind of engines? Electric engines? Yes! And now they're taking over our heritage line. What do you mean? This used to be a diesel heritage line. Now it's turning to electric. Starting with Tracy, then starting with Pip and Emma, then Sucker, then Tracy, and then Jennifer and Corny. All electrics. And it's not going to stop there. More electric engines will come. But they won't replace us. Mark my words, young engine. Never say that we'll be alive forever. Everything has an end. Especially those electric engines. Anyways, I shall see you off. Goodbye. Mark my words, Lenny. Mark my words. Can't be right. Really? I'm sure Arnold Boxing won't be rude. As 2 hours went by, and the engine was soon loaded onto the tracks. We done? Yes. Yes, engine. Yes, A. Yes, A. Hello. What's your name? My name is Lenny. What's yours? My name is A. I wasn't given a proper name, but they just called me A. Well, A, maybe I could help you with your name. Maybe Carla. Nope, I don't like it. Chapuka. Nope. Garaya? Definitely not. Engines here are so weird. Don't worry, I'm not always like that. I'll just get turned around. Lenny soon came back turned around. I'll show you the place. Here's our sheds, where we all sleep. Excuse me, but I have to get to a party. Oh, sorry. Oh, I forgot to mention, I was built in France, so I picked up some of the words there. Well, I guess the engines will get used to that. Come on. I guess what Spam Kim said is right about electric engines. They're not interested. They'll never come to our narrow gauge. Lucky! An electric? home electric on our rails! You don't know what this brought to our railway. This is a haven for diesels, not them! These engines are such a piece of scrap iron. What? They replace diesels everywhere. BR started getting an electric. And if it weren't for those kinds of engines, I would not. My friend Spamcam couldn't live a happy life on the BR. Spamcam, that's no way to talk to a new engine. I'm sorry, Lenny, but it's the only way to treat another engine like that. The other A was shedding tears. You okay? It's true I'm electric, but I'm not like other electric engines. Back home, electric engines used to be my other narrow gauge electrics. Were all rude, mean. They pushed me around like I was a slave to them because I didn't treat the other kinds of engines, badly. But I was just being nice. No one cared. During my test runs. They always made me do extra work after my test runs. I hated it. And now when I heard I was finally going to go this railway, well, I meet better engines. But now coming here, I want to go back to France. Luggy's just upset. Upset about what? The steel electric engines are taking over the railways? Sure, yes. But he just didn't know you well. Are you promise? Promise. Want to continue on with the tour? Yes. I guess I feel a bit better. Come on. Come on, A. Meanwhile, guess what? Guess what, Carter? What? There's an electric engine on our line. What? They're replacing us. I know. That new engine will not be happy that there's an electric engine. Make sure you tell the new engine everything. We will. We'll make sure this engine's off our rails this instant. Correct! How do we do that? By making it derail. Disrepair. We'll have to go over to its home. Back home to France. Never to be seen again! Ha ha ha! It's the smartest engine in the world! Little did the two engines know. Carlo was listening in. They can't do that. I heard the named engine would be hit. Anyways, I might have to foil their plan. Maybe how me and Joey pulled it. The party's getting low. Alan, of course it is. I organized it. I wonder when the food train's getting here. Here. Oh, hiya, Carter want to help us buy? He was in a rush. I know. That's not. I know. So they'll be finishing up their tour soon. So we just. We'll need to find a way to. So they'll be coming up soon. Right. Ready to push them off the rails? Yes. Make sure you run away after it. Yes. Yeah. Well, Brakes sternly on. Nothing can get through me. 3, 2, 1. Yacht! What's going on here? Oh, nothing much. Just 2 engines wanting to derail the newbie. What? We. Yes. What? Oh, simple. I've been overhearing that they want to get rid of the newbie. I think the controller will want to hear about this. Yep. And I'm ashamed of you two. Ah! Josh! Oh, we're in so much trouble now. Thanks a lot for your plan. My plan? It was your idea, Luggy. No, it was yours. Oh my gosh, what happened to you, said Alan. Luggy and Carter want to derail the newbie. Yeah, I'm ashamed of you two. You two will be stuck on your goods work from now on. I am working at the slate quarry. Fine. Carter, you're new, so you can go off with a warning this time, but not next time. And as for you, Luggy, you'll be on goods work for the next 3 weeks. Anyways, time for the unveiling. Surprise! Happy birthday! Is this all for me? Yes, Chief Mechanic. Arnold Boxing. And you get to name this engine after you. So who are you going to name it? Arnold Boxing. But the others can call you Arnold. Thank you. Arnold Boxing. Please, just call me Arnold. I like my name. Much better than Garbo's thing. Lenny? I tried not to get him too hopeful for his name. That was sure a surprise. Surely a surprise.